Once upon a time in the land of snacks and sinners, a humble cracker was born, not to feed your belly but to save your soul. You know them as the sweet cinnamon-scented base of s'mores. But their origin? Oh, it's much darker. This is Once Upon a Dish, where something delicious happened. Hit that subscribe button if you're hungry for the strange, forgotten and bizarre backstories behind the foods we love. Today's story? It's about a snack designed to stop you from touching yourself. Yep, buckle up. His name was Sylvester Graham, a 19th century preacher, reformer, and full-time enemy of pleasure. To Sylvester, the problem with society wasn't war or disease. It was spicy food, white bread, and people getting a little too cozy with themselves. He believed that rich foods led to impure thoughts, and impure thoughts led to, well, let's just say he really didn't like masturbation. His mission, to cleanse the body, and more importantly, purify the mind with wheat. Sylvester created what he proudly called the Graham diet. The rules: no meat, no caffeine, no sugar, no alcohol, no spices, no flavor, no fun. Just plain vegetables, cold water baths, and the star of the show, a dense, unsweetened wheat cracker. The original Graham cracker. It was dry. It was bland. It was moral. Sylvester believed that eating this joyless brick of wheat could suppress desire. Yes, desire of all kinds. To Graham, these crackers weren't snacks. They were weapons. Weapons against lust, against temptation, against nocturnal emissions. In his eyes, flaky pastries and indulgent foods were as dangerous as any sin. And so, with holy conviction, he waged a war. A war of flour versus flesh. He had followers too, Grahamites, who gave up everything tasty in pursuit of purity. Imagine a potluck with no sugar, no spice, and definitely no second base. Just wheat crackers and disappointment. But like many tales of purity, this one ends with a sugar rush. After Graham died, bakers and companies saw potential. Hey, they said, this moral cracker, what if we added honey, sugar, cinnamon, and in the early 1900s, boom, the Graham cracker we know and love was reborn. No longer a sin-fighting wheat shingle. Now, a sweet golden icon of childhood, the foundation of s'mores, the crust of cheesecakes, the comfort of campfires, all built on a snack that was invented to keep you pure. Oh, the irony. So what can we learn from all this? Maybe it's that food, like people, evolves. What began as a sermon in snack form became a cultural dessert icon. Or maybe it's just proof that even the driest ideas can crumble under the right amount of sugar. Either way, next time you bite into a s'more, remember, you're not just eating a cracker, you're defying a 19th century man who wanted you to never enjoy dessert again. Sorry, Sylvester. If this blew your mind, or at least made you snack curious, give us a like and tell us in the comments, what's the weirdest food origin story you know? Subscribe to Once Upon a Dish, where history is weird, food is weirder, and every episode proves something delicious happened.
Bon appetit!